How to change handle name on Bluesky account. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change handle name on Bluesky. To get started, first of all open your Bluesky application on your mobile device and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you're logged into your account, you will land on this home page. Here at the top left, you'll be able to locate the three horizontal bars. Tap on those bars and from the side menu, here tap on the settings option at the bottom. Once you tap on it, you'll be taken to the settings page. Here you will need to scroll down until you find the option change handle, which is under advanced section. Once you find it, simply tap on it and then you will be taken to this page. Now in this box, you will be able to enter a new handle for your account. Tap on the box and enter the handle name. Once after entering it, tap on the save button at the top right to save the changes. If in case the handle name you have entered is already taken, you will be prompted to add a new one. Tap on the text box and add some new words to your handle name. After that, again tap on the save button at the top right and then you will see you have successfully changed your handle name on Bluesky. Once after changing the name, you can come back to the page. Once you come back to the same page, here scroll up and then there you will see your newly updated handle name. So this is how you can change handle name on Bluesky. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.